T minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have main engine start. We have liftoff. What's happening, guys? I'm about to unbox my T-Mobile Internet 5G gateway. Yeah, I just switched from Xfinity to T-Mobile. Let's hope this thing works out. I kept seeing that commercial with the two guys singing, and $50 a month. So let me give it a try. So anyway, I'm gonna unbox it. Hang on one second. Okay, and there it is, the 5G gateway. So let me open this up now. So one box leads to another box. So there it is, guys, out the box. Look how small and cute this thing is. And not much to it. And it has a quick start guide. Quick start guide is basically just plugging it up, I guess. I'm the world's biggest procrastinator, guys. You see that right there? That's an Xbox that I bought to play my son. And I've had this thing sitting here since Christmas. Haven't even opened it up yet. Zoe has to check it out. Check it out, Zoe. Make sure it ain't nothing bad. Okay, so there we go, guys. So let me plug it up now and let's see what we got here. I guess this is the router. It's all digital. It should pick up off the cell phone tower, from what I was told. You don't even have to run no cable or nothing, and you don't have to pay for no equipment, guys. This is legit. $50 a month for everything, the equipment, everything. $50 a month. It's $50 a month if you do auto pay. If you don't do auto pay, it's $55. So there you go. This is T-Mobile. And one more other thing. When you order it, it's going to say Dish Network. Okay? So, cause I had my bank call me and said, "Did you order something from Dish?" I'm like, "No." I said, "I did order something from T-Mobile." So come to find out, T-Mobile and Dish is like, I don't know, they like partner. But anyway, enough talk, and let's hook this thing up and see if it works. Okay, guys, and that's how the back of it looks. So the power goes in here. Alright, just plugs in here, and I don't know if that's like phone jacks. Alright, let's see what the front looks like. The front looks like so. So I can figure this out, guys. Give me another second. Okay, it says powering up. And download the T-Mobile app. Download the T-Mobile Internet app. Okay. And it says for best results, place near window. There's a 5G signal. But once again, this thing is picking up off your cell phone tower. My cell phone tower, I can actually see my tower from my house. So anyway, I'll get back to you. By the way, guys, if you don't know, these are cell phone towers. And me and my buddy Matt used to help build these things and work on them long time ago. Okay, guys, I'm on the T-Mobile network. Let's see what it does. Oh, hang on. Let me make a password. Okay, guys, let's see what happens. This is real time. I'm gonna save some time and pause it till this thing works. See how it streams? Yep. Let me put some sound on real quick.
I would say if the music, whatever happens, happens.
This is awesome, guys. I'm about to tell Xfinity to kiss something. You cannot beat this. And Xfinity Stream sucks. I've told them that over and over again. It'll tell you that you're offline or your network is down or it takes forever for the page to load. Okay, so once you get out, you can't use Xfinity Stream no more if you're on a T-Mobile though. Yep. Well, I'm about to get rid of this Xfinity. Save myself $80 a month. Yeah, Xfinity paying $123 just for internet with Xfinity. And now we're only paying, bam, $50 a month. Do the math. So there you have it, guys. T-Mobile is my new best friend. Right, Zoe? Right? Huh? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's see if YouTube works with T-Mobile. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Before I get rid of Xfinity, I want to make sure. They give you a 15-day. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see. Let's go to the Big Brian show. See if that's gonna work. If that works, then we're gonna keep it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that picture. Matter of fact, I'm making a Western omelet, guys. I sure did. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So there you go. T-Mobile is awesome. $50 a month. They say that they're never going to raise their price. That's how internet should be. Not no 100, 20, 40 just for internet. Guys, have a great day. Peace out. And the app is easy to use. This right here. Also, guys, these things come with unlimited data. Oh yeah. Okay, remember guys, you will not be able to watch Xfinity Stream with the T-Mobile, okay? You're gonna have to find another app to let you watch your local channels. All right, other than that, I like the price and so far so good. Peace out.